Buckle up, space fans. Astronomers are living their dream, gazing at stars, exploring galaxies, and unraveling cosmic secrets. But, believe it or not, even these space superheroes experience a chill down their spines when they zoom in on our home planet. That's right, Earth has its own share of mysteries that make astronomers go, "What on Earth?" Let's count down the top 10 photos of our planet that left them shaken. First up, picture this: a colossal, uninvited guest in the Nevada desert. A gigantic triangle that had everyone scratching their heads and wondering, what's going on? Number 2 on our cosmic countdown is a chilling image that's out of this world, literally. It's not an alien invasion, but rather a natural disaster that left astronomers speechless. Take a look at this mind-boggling photo snapped by astronaut Ricky Arnold, capturing the fury of Hurricane Florence. The sheer force and scale are humbling reminders of nature's incredible power, making you feel tiny against the vastness of our universe. Can you believe that this storm was so strong it could be seen from space? Next up, let's dive into number 3, a mysterious phenomenon that has been puzzling scientists for decades. Let's take a trip to the Carolinas and travel back to 2018 when Hurricane Florence made landfall, causing absolute destruction on an unprecedented scale. The storm brought with it winds that howled at a mind-boggling 150 miles per hour, leaving nothing but devastation in its path as trees were ripped from the ground like toothpicks. This catastrophic event left a trail of sorrow, claiming 54 lives and racking up over $0 billion in damages. What's even more awe-inspiring, yet unsettling, is seeing these storms from a completely different angle. When astronaut Ricky Arnold captured this photo from several miles above, he had to use an ultra-wide-angle lens just to fit the entire tempest into the frame. And you know what? Even though he was safe up in space, this image left him shaken. Get ready for some seriously cool space facts. Let's start with this mind-blowing selfie taken by astronaut Buzz Aldrin back in '69. Not only did he become the second person to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission, but he also took the very first selfie ever captured outside Earth's atmosphere. This wasn't part of the mission plan. Buzz was just curious about how it would turn out. While orbiting around our beloved moon, Aldrin flipped the camera around and snapped a photo that has since become an iconic piece of space history. You won't believe how tiny our home planet actually looks. A stunning visualization by Pablo Carlos Budassi for Wikipedia depicts the universe on an unprecedented scale, sending chills down the spines of astronomers everywhere. This mind-boggling image puts Earth into perspective, showing just how minuscule we really are within the vastness of space. What's truly remarkable is that it took a collaborative effort between Budassi and Wikipedia to create this breathtaking visual representation of our cosmos. It's a humbling reminder of where we fit in the grand scheme of things. Get ready to have your mind blown. Pablo Carlos Budassi's jaw-dropping visualization combines NASA's high-resolution images and his own custom textures to map the entire universe in one awe-inspiring picture. Each tiny dot you see represents an entire solar system, packed with thousands of stars, planets, and moons. A truly cosmic scale that'll leave your head spinning. It's like trying to fathom the endlessness of the ocean or the vastness of our own planet. But Budassi's masterpiece does wonders in putting things into perspective. And here's what's even more amazing. This incredible image serves as a constant reminder that space is so boundless, you'll never run out of new celestial wonders to discover when gazing up at those twinkling stars. Next up, we're going to explore another mind-blowing feat of human innovation. But sometimes NASA's cosmic explorers send back images that leave even the bravest astronomers with a chill down their spines. Like this last transmission from one of their brave unmanned craft as it met its fate crashing into Saturn. In the stunning yet haunting picture before us, you can spot Saturn's ethereal rings taking center stage on the right side. But what really grabs your attention is that tiny blue speck floating solo in the lower left corner, a speck that, believe it or not, represents our home planet Earth. This was the very first time astronomers got to see our world from this mind-blowing perspective, and the sheer scale of Saturn's rings, compared to Earth's minuscule size, is enough to put things into an otherworldly perspective. Let's dive deeper into more cosmic discoveries that will make your jaw drop in awe. Dropping into the historic Apollo 11 mission, we've got a hauntingly beautiful photo that gives you a glimpse of just how isolated these brave space pioneers were during their record-breaking journey. Michael Collins snapped this shot while Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin prepared for the ultimate leap, stepping off into the moon's untouched terrain, leaving Earth's gravitational pull behind. This was a moment when nothing but possibility existed in space. One misstep could have meant being stranded forever in the unforgiving silence of the cosmos. Yet, moments after this photo was taken, Armstrong made history by becoming the first human to set foot on another celestial body, followed closely by Aldrin. Get ready for some serious space adrenaline. Here's an out-of-this-world image of astronaut Bruce McCandless making history with the first ever free flight in space. Equipped with a nitrogen jetpack that let him move freely, but without any safety tether to his ship or anything else, this was an act of pure space exploration guts. One wrong move and he'd be drifting into the blackness of space, lost forever until his oxygen ran out. No rescue missions could reach him in time. Yet, McCandless proved himself a true space pioneer, expertly navigating his jetpack to safely return to the spacecraft, leaving astronomers on Earth holding their breaths as they watched this daring feat unfold. The enigmatic dark side of the moon has long captivated our imaginations, stirring up tales of mysterious life forms or even secret Nazi hideouts. But hold on to your seats, because NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite is about to blow all these space myths wide open. Capturing an unprecedented view that no human had ever laid eyes on before, this breathtaking image reveals what lies beyond the shadows of our moon. And here's the jaw-dropping truth, despite all those wild theories circulating among conspiracy theorists and curious minds alike. NASA's stunning shot proves that both sides of the moon are virtually identical. It turns out there's no alien life or underground bunker to be found. Get ready to have your mind blown by some lunar facts. The moon's proximity to our planet is nothing short of amazing. Being just the right distance away keeps us safe from its gravitational pull, but a mere 20% closer or farther would result in utter chaos for Earth. And let's not forget an asteroid impact that could knock our moon out of orbit and send it hurtling towards us. It's a space scenario straight out of Hollywood. But before we shift gears to the next terrifying force on our list, let's talk about something much closer to home: volcanic eruptions. These natural disasters are awe-inspiring in their destructive power, unleashing millions of tons of ash, smoke, and lava into the atmosphere within seconds. The aftermath is nothing short of apocalyptic for any living thing caught in its path. Imagine gazing out at Earth from space as a volcano unleashes its fury. The sheer force is enough to send shivers down your spine. That's exactly what happened when astronomers captured an image of a volcanic eruption, with smoke and ash towering above clouds, miles into the air. But here's the chilling part. This wasn't even one of those colossal supervolcanic eruptions that could potentially reshape our world as we know it. There are several such ticking time bombs on Earth, like the Yellowstone supervolcano, which could unleash a catastrophic chain of events. If it were to erupt, a devastating blanket of volcanic ash would engulf entire states, including Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Colorado, burying everything beneath a thick layer of 3 feet of toxic dust. The consequences for life in these regions would be nothing short of apocalyptic, with massive lava flows adding an extra layer of destruction to the already dire situation. Get ready for a mind-blowing comparison that will change your perspective on destruction. Because what looks like just another volcanic explosion in this photo is actually something much more sinister: the world's first ever snapshot of a nuclear blast from space. Captured by astronauts, it represents human-made chaos unlike any natural disaster. While we've all heard about the devastating impact of nuclear weapons, seeing it visually from outer space brings home just how monumental their destructive power truly is. Nuclear weapons have made their mark in history with a mere 2 instances, the United States dropping them on Japan during World War II. Although witnessing their cataclysmic potential was enough to initiate groundbreaking agreements, nations haven't put down their nuclear building blocks just yet. As of today, our planet still harbors over 13,000 of these destructive devices. If that number gets activated, it could spell doom for all life on Earth. Thanks for tuning in to this video about Earth's chilling photos as seen by astronomers. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss out. Before we wrap up here, let's dive into some mind-blowing stats about Earth's photos captured by astronomers. Did you know that these breathtaking images are often a result of combining thousands of individual shots? It's not uncommon to see our planet showcased in ways we never thought possible. From stunning sunrises to incredible cloud formations, each picture tells a unique story, and with your support, we can keep exploring more fascinating facts like this one together. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for regular doses of captivating content, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you're the first to know when a new video drops.